Hello, it's the 10th of August 2022 and it's time for another global storm outlook. In these videos we just look at any random stuff that seems interesting going on around the world. It is extremely not complete, but that's just the way it is. Let's check in on the WRAP smoke forecast. This is the near surface smoke forecast and it seems to go out just a day. But I want to actually check out this fire over in Newfoundland. I've not heard any news about this, but it looks quite big in this model. At first I thought it wasn't visible in GO 16, but if we check out back 24 hours, the heat signature does appear during the day, and you can kind of tell that strong dry westerly winds off mainland Canada probably fanned the flames. Given that we can focus in using the 10-minute interval when the heat signature was present, then overlay a visible band using semi-transparency, you can really see the rapid development in those. Looks kind of west-northwest winds actually, based on the plume. Smoke from the wildfires in Khanty-Mansi Sky, western Siberia, reached Novosibirsk, seen here. This place is more than 1,000 kilometers to the southeast of the fires. For a while, planes couldn't even take off, and I'm not exactly sure what the situation is right now. Sentinel-2 has been getting phenomenal images of the fires. In this capture, showing the heat signatures, you can see many individual fires burning throughout the area. In lighter winds, shown here back on 5th of August, Sentinel-2 caught a great view of pyrocumulus development over a group of the fires, and with the IR bands we can see the heat signatures. In the visible you can also just make out the smoke plumes billowing up into the clouds. While it's been dry in northern France and southern UK, down south in the Pyrenees there has clearly been some very heavy rain. Here what I believe is a Civil Guard helicopter flies up towards Mount Perdido with waterfalls pouring off the valley on all sides. I've been here actually and this is not usual. Let's check in on one of our favorite submarine volcanoes, Kavachi. Kavachi is one of the most active submarine volcanoes in the southwest Pacific Ocean and lies south of Vanuatu Island in the Solomon Islands. The name Kavachi is the name of a sea god, which seems appropriate for this incredible feature. In this time-lapse from Sentinel-2, the underwater eruption plume discolors the surface waters, but it is certainly not always limited to underwater. For example, as you can see from this 31st of October 2016 photo, Kavachi's eruptions can burst through the surface waters, producing huge explosions. Sometimes a small island forms, but is often just quickly washed away by waves. I mean, just imagine, you were happily sailing along and all of a sudden this happened. Just an explosion of rock and water, seemingly coming out of nowhere. Crazy stuff. So that's all I've got time for today. Thanks for watching.